Model, 64-plate Ford Transit Custom 292.2 E-Tech needs engine hole in block 93 km No Vat. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 93,928. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2100 PS TDCI-A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, start fine, but there is a hole in the block and oil is leaking out everywhere. Ideally wants an engine replacement, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, electric windows, alloy wheel.